we have to understand that for every haqq, every truth, there is an enemy. For every truth, there is an enemy. The Shaytan is there, and the Shaytan has his allies, and he will lie in wait because he is an enemy to the haqq. And some of the ulama have said the enemy can be in one of three ways. Either the enemy is carrying a weapon, or the enemy is insulting you and labeling you, or number three, and this is the point, and this is the reason why he's mentioning it, is that the enemy is there to put in you doubts. The enemy is there to put in you doubts. When you can understand you've got an enemy, what is going to be your way of defending yourself, or perhaps removing that enemy? The only way, as the Shaykh is saying here, and this is the importance of ilm, the only way is of seeking ilm. And if a person has that, فَلَا تَخَفْ وَلَا تَحْزَنْ, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given to you a clear hujaj, a clear proof, and it's clear. Then you've got no reason to be scared, you've got no reason to be frightful. And this is the meaning of the statement where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He says, إِنَّ كَيْدَ الشَّيْطَانِ كَانَ ضَعِيفًا. Surely the plots of Shaytan are weak. How are they weak? They're not weak because of anything otherwise than the fact that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you ilm and the ability to act upon it. Then the Shaytan becomes weak in all of our lives. But without ilm and without righteous action, you've got that enemy. And he's going to attack you.